Thank you, everyone. India's most trusted brand sounds great. Brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. So to earn a reputation, you have to do hard things well, and DOMS has done that. We relate to the kids for the country, which are future for the country. So if kids have appreciated our work, it's a great achievement for us. And I would like to thank IPC for doing this. And I have my 6-year-old son here, and I know how difficult it is to make them appreciate our work. So thank you again.
Oh, and congratulations, a very special moment for you. All right, now we have India's most trusted packaged drinking water, and this one goes to Rail Neer, Mr. Arvind Malkere, Group General Manager, IRCTC West Zone, and Mr. Narendra Kumar Pipil, Joint General Manager, IRCTC West Zone. And he's right here taking the award. Say a few words, sir. No? I request you, sir.
Good evening, and on behalf of IRCTC, I mean, we are into different verticals. We are a railways company. We are into catering, into tourism, into Rail Neer, and the most known vertical of IRCTC is the e-portal. Our e-ticketing website, which is the most visited website in probably Asia Pacific region, getting roughly about 15 lakh hits a day, and the biggest e-commerce portal in this part of the world. And Rail Neer is our new product, and we have about 6 plants across the country. We, on quality front, I mean, it is perhaps the best brand in the country, and we feel very proud about the product that we are manufacturing, and we are taking it to the consumer. And this recognition is a really big recognition for us, and we feel that it also bestows a responsibility on IRCTC to sort of keep on improving and giving the best quality to our customers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations. And now we have India's most trusted security services company, and this one goes to TOPS Group. Can we have our members from TOPS Group right here, please? Would you like to say a few words?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. After being in the security space for 46 years, this is something we really cherish. And I would like to thank our 8,000 customers across the country and our 100,000 guards across the country who stand day in, day out, because of which we are here. Thank you.
All right, and all right, moving on, we have India's most trusted automotive synthetic engine oil, and this one goes to HP Neosynth 5W30. I would like to call on Mr. Debabrata Panda and Mr. Kapil Tekandani, Senior Manager Retail Lubes and Chief Manager Packaging Development, to please join us on stage. sir.
Thanks, team IBC and Mr. Kaushik. We are here to receive this award second year in row. Last year we won this award for Racer and this year for 5W30. Let me assure Indian consumers that for HPCL, if this oil is used, it is all about Zindagi Chale Smooth.
Thank you and congratulations. Up next, we have India's most trusted life insurance company. And this one goes to LIC. I would request Ms. Preeti Panwar, Regional Manager, Office Services, to please join us on stage. Request you to say a few words, ma'am.
I'm extremely grateful to all our esteemed customers who have yet again reaffirmed their trust in us. This is especially significant because we celebrate our 60th anniversary this year. And I'm also very thankful to IBC, Info Media, and Mr. Kaushik. Trust, thy name is LIC. Need I say more? Thank you.
Right, and now we have India's most trusted commerce and economics college, and this one goes to Sydenham College. Dr. Anna Sahib Khemnar, Principal, to please join us, and Dr. Tukaram B. Gharve, Associate Professor, to please join us on stage. A huge round of applause for Sydenham College, everybody. Right there. And we request you to say a few words now, sir.
Thank you, IBC, and thank you, Kaushik ji, for giving this opportunity to be here. Sydenham College has completed 103 years, and since inception, it has produced so many students, those who are working in different areas of the societies. I am proud of all of those who have been passed out from Sydenham College. We are trying to give excellence from Sydenham College. Sydenham College is exclusively commerce and economics college, and it is trying always for excellence, and these efforts will continue further. Once again, thank you, Kaushik ji. Thank you, IBC.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Thank you. And up next we have India's most trusted 5-star beach resort, and this one goes to Bogmallow Beach Resort. I would like to call on Mrs. Preeti Chotrani, Director, and Ms. Sadhana Mukundan, General Manager, on stage to collect the award. And please welcome these ladies with a huge round of applause. we would like you to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and a warm namaste. At the onset, let me introduce my team. We have here Mrs. Preeti Chotrani, the President of Tradewings Hotels Limited, based in Mumbai, Denver, Korea, my Business Development Manager, and I'm Sadhna Mukundan, the Director and General Manager for Bogmallo Beach Resort. It seems like yesterday I was here in the month of May to receive the Best Beach Resort Award, and it gives me immense pleasure to be here this evening to receive India's Most Trusted Award. I thank Lord Almighty for this. I would like to thank each and every customer for their valuable votes and having their faith in us. I also thank Mr. Kaushik, the CEO, for the honor. I take this opportunity to thank the chairman of my company, Dr. Shailendra Mittal, who unfortunately is out of the country and hence not here amidst us to receive the award. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the Bogmallo Beach family back home in Goa, without whose support and strength I would not be here to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the evening and stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your kind words. That was a beautiful little speech right there. Congratulations to you.